Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session, we create a Linux machine using Azure Portal. Okay, let's start our session. Open Chrome and log into your Azure Portal. Click on Virtual Machines and click on Create and click on Virtual Machine here. Select your subscription and then your resource group which we have created in the last session. And the virtual machine name is like load VM Linux -1. So I'm selecting the region is Central US only. I'm not selecting any availability options. Image is like Ubuntu latest version, and then authentication type I will be using password. So demo user and password. Okay, and re-enter the password. So I'm select even enabling HTTP also. Click on disk. So as per your request, you can select your SSD or HHD or SSD standard. So in my request, so this is the demo, right? So I'm selecting premium SSD and the networking. As earlier I said, when we are creating any resources, it will be creating virtual network subnet and IP address for the VMs. Okay, management, you can keep it idle, and then advanced, and then tags I'm giving demo value is Linux-1. So we need to click on review plus create, so it will check all the details which you have provided whether it is correct or not. Once it is corrected, the validation will pass. The validation is passed. So preferred phone number is asking. Okay, I am giving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, it's a demo, right? Click on create. So you can see the notification we have submitted the deployment. So while deployment is in progress, it will create NSG, network security group, and IP address, public IP address, and then virtual network, and then VM. See, NSG is created, IP public IP address is created. So meanwhile, we'll download a putty to connect the Linux machines, right? So search for download putty for Windows. Yeah, deployment is successful. Go to resource. See, you can see the status is running. Location is Central US. Subscription ID. Operating system is Linux. Size, IP address. So if I copy this IP and okay, yeah, put is downloaded. We will install it. Yeah, installation is successful. Okay, search for putty. So we need to log in, right? Copy the public IP address. Okay, and then open. Accept. So login as we need to give username. Password is password. So it's just doing saying let's try. Yeah, now it's successfully connected. Clear the screen. Let's apply sudo update. Sudo apt update. Yeah, it's updating. That means Windows like Linux VM machine is successfully ins installed each and everything. Okay, so that's it, friends. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.